Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am showing you guys this super easy fall off the bone oven baked barbecue ribs. So easy. All you need is some time and you got this. Before I begin, if you're new here, please be sure to subscribe. Also, if you like today's recipe, be sure to give it a thumbs up and let's get started. If you want your baked ribs to taste absolutely delicious, you have to have the best dry rub ever. So here's how I make mine. In a small bowl, I am going to combine smoked paprika, dry mustard, onion powder, garlic powder, ground black pepper, cumin, cayenne pepper, lemon pepper, and also we'll be adding a teaspoon of salt, and as well as some brown sugar. And last but not least, we'll be adding some Italian seasoning in there as well. We're going to give that a nice mix. Once everything is well mixed together, it's showtime. Here I have one rack of rib. I went ahead and rinsed it with some vinegar. So I'm going to remove the membrane just to help the seasoning just stick on there and make every piece of rib absolutely flavorful. So I'm going to remove the membrane. It's very easy once you get the hang of it. So I use my knife just to help me remove it a little bit once I get the hang of it, and I just twist it around my fingers and just pull it out. So now it's time to season. I am going to drizzle about 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil to the rib. Once it's nice and coated with the oil, I am going to generously, keep that in mind, rub that dry rub all over my rib. Keep in mind to pat the seasoning in and not rub it in. Instead, I know it's a dry rub, but don't rub it. Make sure you pat it and be very, very generous with the seasoning. Now I'm going to flip it over and season the other side as well. Okay, now that we have the ribs well coated with the seasoning, we are going to bake it. I am using this baking tray here. I went ahead and add some foil to it just to help the cleaning process a little bit easier on me when I'm ready to clean this baking dish. So I added some foil on there. Then I am going to take the ribs and place it right in there. However, this was too long or too short. The baking dish was too short for it, but it'll do. Okay, now I'm going to bake it on 300 for about 2 to 3 hours. So it was ready in 2.5 hours. This is it right here. It's nice and looking beautiful, and the aroma in your house right now is amazing. Now I'm going to use my favorite of all time barbecue sauce, which is the sweet baby rays. I am going to add the sauce all over the ribs, just like that. Don't be scared, don't be afraid to add the sauce on there. And then once you are done, ooh, that was very hot, by the way. Flip it over and add the remaining of the barbecue sauce. All of that measurement will be below for you guys, so be sure to check that out. And also I will try my best to leave the link to the seasoning on Amazon for you guys, just in case you guys don't have some and you want to buy it online. Okay, so once I'm done, I am going to bake this. Well, not really baking it, I am going to boil it for about 5 to 10 minutes on low. Make sure you keep an eye on it so it doesn't burn. You just want to caramelize the barbecue sauce. Look at it. Now I'm going to bake it now. Now once it was done, this is what it looks like. I am going to cut it. This was so hot, guys. I don't know why I was holding it, but it was super hot. As you guys can tell, this is tender by looking at the meat. It's super tender, and I just played it for you guys. I had some fresh parsley on there, and look how beautiful it looks. Where my cornbread at? I need some cornbread with this amazing fall off the bone oven baked barbecue ribs. Look how gorgeous and absolutely tender this is. I hope you guys try this out for the family. I know they will enjoy this one. Let me know down below, how do you feel about today's recipe? Don't forget to subscribe if you're here for the first time. Thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys on the next recipe. Bye guys.